Morning students, welcome back to the video session. In this video session, I have taken two questions from the exercise 16A, that is chapter parallelograms. So here first question I have taken is ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 110 degree. Find the measures of each of the angles, that is B, C and D. And the second question I have taken, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 4:5. Find the measure of each of its angles. So let us see the first one. So here we are solving the first one. Now if I take the help of a diagram, suppose I have drawn this as a parallelogram. Okay, so this is our parallelogram. Now I mention this one as A, B, C and D. Now here in the question it is given angle A is 110 degree. So now we need to find the angle B, C and D. So we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal here. So this angle A and angle C will be equal. That means if angle A is 110 degree, so angle C will also be 110 degree. So we can write here that angle C is equal to angle A, that is equal to 110 degree. What is the reason? The reason we have to mention, that is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we have written this that they are equal. So angle C is equal to angle A. Now we got angle C. Now we can find angle A and B. What are they? They are adjacent angles. And we know that the sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So out of these two, one is given to us. So from 180 degree, if we subtract the given angle, then we will get the angle of the other, measure of the other angle. So here we can write, we can mention the reason here, sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So here we can write angle B we are finding. So we can write angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So when we subtract, what we got? We got 70 degree. So we can write here angle B is equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now again we can follow the first one. As we did the first, we can do in the same way the angle D. Now as angle A and C were the opposite angle, so here also angle B and angle D will be opposite angle. So here we can write, we got this one as 110, this one we have got as 70. So now angle B and angle D will be equal because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here we will write angle B is equal to angle D is equal to angle B. Again you have to mention the reason, that is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we got, now we have found angle B, we have found angle C, we have found angle D. So we can write at the end, therefore angle B is equal to 70 degree. Then angle C is equal to 110 degree, and angle D is equal to 70 degree. So we have found all the remaining angles. So this was the answer of the first one. Simple, we have to follow the two reasons, that is opposite angles and sum of the adjacent angles. Now let us see the second one. Now in the second one you can see it is given that the angles are in the ratio. So we will use the same figure. Angles are in the ratio of 4:5. Okay. Adjacent angles. In the question, if you see, it is two adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means what? A and B are adjacent angle, B and C are adjacent angle, C and D are adjacent angle, D and A are adjacent angles. Means same, on the same line they will be. Like A and B are on the same part. So that type of angles will be adjacent angle. And the sum of the adjacent angles you already know that it is 180 degree. So here if we take angle A as the first, that is 4, and angle B as 5. Okay. So ratio I have taken as 4 and 5. With this ratio, what we will do? We will add x to this one. So it will become 5x and 4x. 4x and 5x. Now, how to solve this one? Very simple. First reason we will write sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. Then here we will let angle A is equal to 4x and angle B is equal to 5x. Now when we add this 4x and 5x, we should get 180 degree. Okay. So now you form the equation like this, that is 4x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now x will be what? The x we got as 180 by 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 80, put here 0. So we got x is equal to 20 as the answer. Now what we have taken? We have taken angle A as 4x. So we will write, therefore angle A is equal to 4x. That is equal to what? 4 into 20. That is equal to 80 degree.